Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did these Halloween photos over this past couple weekends. Is the look that I pretty much wore for the entirety of the shoot. It was a little more dramatic. If you guys would like to see how I did this fabulous makeup, please keep watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow my channel, follow all my socials down below. And yeah, let's have a good time. We did some foundational. It's actually just concealer. I used pretty much entirely this palette. I'll be using these two colors plus the black color. Maybelline Color Tattoo. This is in Chill Girl. Teal set down here. I don't know if you can tell. It's like an aqua teal. It's like a dark teal. It's kind of like the color of my hair. Well, what's left. This is gonna go in the outer area. I like that this is a nice dark like teal gray. So this is the gist essentially. If you want to go out and be a little more bolder and dramatic, you can. I'm gonna take the white that we saw on the top of that palette and I'm gonna put it right here in the inner corners of my eyelids. This is the LA Colors eye marker. You can literally get these at Dollar Tree. I don't know if they sell these at Walmart or anywhere else. Go down to my bottom. This is the Almay All Day Intense Gel Liner. Somebody got this for me from TJ Maxx. I'm pretty sure they don't sell this anymore. This is the color Orion. This is that blue color. I personally use my finger. I don't even care. To really keep in theme, I also don't even know if they sell this anymore. Lime Crime. This is one of the liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Peacock. I'm gonna take the same shade, Orion. That is the look for this video. This is actually a great look for Halloween. Honestly, I wear this look on the daily. If you guys would like to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my links are below. My shop is also below. But if you guys see me out and about during vendor shows, come say hi. I promise, I'm not a bitch. That is it for this one. I will see you guys in the next video.